Here we go, Hall. It's a video. It's a video. Yeah? What do you have to say about that? Holly's on her changing table. It's her favorite time of the day. You like to be on your changing table, don't you? Yeah? Don't ya? Don't ya? Speak, child, speak. Yeah? Are you happy now after yesterday when you didn't sleep all day long? Remember that? Yeah, I remember that. So there's your bear. Your favorite bear, Golden Graham. And you can hear the laundry in the background. What? What's up? Hi. Hi. Really? Oh, really? Really? Uh-oh. Bless you. Bless you. You okay? You good girl. We're gonna go out now and run some errands. Yeah. You gonna be good? You gonna be good? Yay! Say bye, everyone. Say bye.